Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're coming with Twisty style cheesy corn recipe. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Now let's get started. First we will start with the spices. Take 1 teaspoon of chili powder or paprika powder, whichever you prefer. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder, this is optional. Add a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients. In a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Melt the butter and then add 1½ cup of boiled corn. We are using boiled corn. You can use canned corn if you like. Now add the prepared spices. Stir for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now take it out in a bowl and we will add the rest of the ingredients. Add ½ cup of mayonnaise. Add ½ cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix both of these ingredients together. Cheesy corns are ready to be served. If you want, you can add crushed pepper to spice it up a notch. You can eat this corn like it is, or you can add it in a sandwich and eat it like that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and enjoy this recipe.